Today we'll talk about string manipulations in Python. Hi everyone. Let's start with an activator today. We have to create a variable s1 and then we have to assign a string value I am, and then we have to create another string value s2, a string variable s2, and we have to assign the value from class, and then we create another integer variable class number and we have to assign 3 to it, and then we have to concatenate all of these variables, and the result should look something like this. Hello there, I'm from class 3. Now in order to do this we have to use some string functions, but let's create the variables for now. So s1 will have the value I am, s2 will contain from class number will contain 3. Now since class number is integer, we don't put quotes around 3 because 3 is a numeric. 3 is a number. Okay, so the variables are done and now we have to concatenate all of them. So let's say I create another variable called result where I concatenate all these values, and if there's an error, I can only concatenate. Okay, so we cannot concatenate class number with string because class number is a numeric, is a number, and s1 s2 are all strings, so we cannot concatenate in this fashion. Also our result should start with hello there, so let's write the output in such a way. So first string should be hello there and then a space, and then it should be I am, and it should be in caps, so we have to use the method upper and then again a space, and after that from class, but from class should also be in uppercase, so s2 dot upper class number, so we can use format class number, and then we print result. That's our required output. The only thing missing over here, there are 3 semicolon marks, there are 3 exclamation marks after the text. So let's add them. Yeah, that's it.